is.
Oh yeah.
Look up, look over here.
Arya. Don't push her. That's so
nice.
mean.
Give her an Eskimo kiss. Good, that was nice. You kissed her, Dan. You're doing so good. There you go. Check out those monkeys.
Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You're posing.
You're making a blog post, are you?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Standing up.
Yeah. Oh, baby girl, I gotta find your hat again. Give it back.
Must you, Dad?
Yes. That. I must.
Nick, you wanna go down?
Grab that video.